and welcome to my YouTube channel. And we're having today's episode of Question for the Day, solving a mole concept in stoichiometry question. Alright, so let's get into what this question is all about and see if we can do some justice to it. The question starts off by saying how many grams of sodium chloride are produced when 5 grams of sodium reacts with excess chlorine gas. And they've given us some informational bits and pieces that we need in solving this question. They've given us the relative atomic mass of sodium and they've given us the relative atomic mass of chlorine. So here is the balanced equation for the reaction, and they are asking us how many grams of sodium chloride are produced. So the first thing we need to do is to have the balanced chemical equation, which we have over here, because this chemical equation is what we're going to use in solving this question every step of the way. So now this question is asking us how many grams of sodium chloride. So the first area of concentration they are giving to us is sodium chloride over here, and they said when 5 grams of sodium, so the next thing they're asking us to concentrate on is sodium reacts with excess chlorine gas. So now the question is asking us to give our answer in grams. So whatever we are solving, we're going to make sure that we are using the units of grams. So from the chemical equation, you can see that 2 moles of sodium was required to produce 2 moles of sodium chloride. So now let us convert these moles into grams because they asked us to find our answer in grams. So now to convert this to grams, we simply say 2 multiplied by the atomic mass of sodium. The atomic mass of sodium is 23 as given to us in the equation. Is now producing 2 moles of the atomic mass of sodium is also 23 here, plus the atomic mass of chlorine, which is 35.5. 2 multiplied by 23 over here gives us 46 grams. So 46 grams of sodium is now producing, when we do this math over here, we're having 35.5 plus 23. So when we add this, we have 8 and then we have 58.5. 58.5 multiplied by 2. 58.5 multiplied by 2 gives us 117. So we have 117 grams. What this simply means is that 46 grams of sodium produced 117 grams of sodium chloride according to the chemical equation. So now that we have that, the question says what is the amount of sodium chloride produced when 5 grams of sodium reacts with excess chlorine gas. So from this equation, we have been able to find out that 46 grams of sodium produced 117 grams of sodium chloride. So the question is now asking how many grams of sodium chloride are produced when 5 grams of sodium reacts. So if 46 grams of sodium produces 117 grams of sodium chloride, then 5.0 grams of sodium will now produce an unknown amount of sodium chloride. Do you see how we got there now? So at this point, we can just cross multiply. When we do that, we have 46 multiplied by the unknown amount is equal to 5 multiplied by 117. So we're looking for this unknown amount. We make it the subject of the formula. So to do that, we divide both sides by its coefficient, which is 46. So when we do that, 46 cancels 46 over here. So the unknown amount is now equal to 5 multiplied by 117 divided by 46. So this is equal to 5 multiplied by 117. That gives us 585. So we have 585 divided by 46. So punching our calculators, 585 divided by 46 gives us the figure of 12.72 grams. 12.72 grams. That is our final answer. So when 5 grams of sodium reacts with excess chlorine gas, with this equation backing it up, we have 12.72 grams of sodium chloride produced. I'm sure you saw every bit and every step that we took in solving this question. If you enjoyed it, please like, don't forget to share, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on the notification bell icon so when more videos like this come out, you'll be the first to be notified. Up until I come your way next time, my name is David, and all I do here is to take the mystery out of chemistry so you can make history. I'll see you in the next video.